For anyone experienced trying to make an appointment for US tourist visa interview, for example po after niya po magbayad sa RCBC ng cash, it says po wait for 4 to 24 hours after payment. Always based po tayo sa business hours or business days. Hindi po kasama yung Saturday, Sunday, or holiday. Yung experience ko po, nagbayad po ako mga around 1 p.m. And then, isa rin naman ako excited. Chinek ko rin naman just in case. Same experience, invalid din. So, nagantay pa ako or pag-check ulit ng mga 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then, dun na nag-inaccept yung receipt number ko. At nag-appear na rin yung mga earliest or available slot for US tourist visa interview. And then yung sa parents ko last year, next day pa siya nag-appear or naging posted. Showing on the background how you can get the MRB slip. And make sure kapag pinrint nyo po siya sa bond paper, kasya po siya sa isang page. Please don't forget your passport and then your cash payment. Recommended po talaga or mas maganda yung nagbabayad po tayo sa RCBC kesa yung other options like through online. Dahil po kasi nakaka-experience ng problem sa mga online payment. Current rate po ngayon ay nasa 58 pesos. So yung total po ng $185 is 10,730 pesos.